Okay, guys, let's do some intercepts from a graph. Here they give us the coordinate plane and they want us to determine the y and x intercepts from the graph. So first they ask for the x-intercept. I look at my x-axis. I see that it intercepts my x-axis at 3, 0. So the answer for my x-intercept will be 3, comma, 0. On my y-axis, I look down until I see where the line crosses it. It crosses it at negative 10. So the order pair for that one would be 0, comma, negative 10. If you notice, remember it's x, comma, y. When it crosses my x-axis, I have no y value. My y value will always be 0 when it's crossing my x-axis. When it's crossing my y-axis, my x value will always be 0. You have to remember that part as well. So we go up here and we type those answers in. 3, 0, and 0, negative 10. Same thing here. They want to know the y-intercept and the x-intercept. Notice how they tried to trick us here and they put the y-intercept first. Do not let them get you confused. So I find my y-axis. It's going up and down or vertical. I look and I see that it crosses at negative 6. So I know that my y-intercept would be 0, negative 6. Then they ask me about my x-intercept. I look at my x-axis, I see it crosses at negative 8. So I know my x-intercept is at negative 8, comma, 0. And then I type it in. 0, negative 6, negative 8, 0. Here they ask us about the y-intercept first. I find my y-axis. I see that it crosses at 275. So I know that one will be 0 for my x and 275 for my y. If you're wondering how I got 275, they don't have 275 on the coordinate plane. They have 250 and they have 300, and I know that 275 is right in between the two. For my x-axis, I look and I see that it crosses at 125. Even though it doesn't have 125, I know that 125 is between 100 and 150. So for my x-intercept, it would be 125, comma 0. So type it in, keep it moving. Last one. Here they tried to switch it up again and they asked us about the x-intercept first. I look at my x-axis. I see that it crosses at negative 40. So that point will be negative 40, comma 0. I look at my y-axis. I see that it crosses right between 10 and 20. So that point will be 15. So that is 0, comma, positive 15. And we're finished.